I'm back, and I just want to tell you one thing. My parents are gone for 4 days, starting today, and I'm going to my friend's house. He's allowed me to play videos there, and also, if you see a girl with brown hair, that's my sister. If you see a boy with black curly hair, that's my friend. And, yeah. And since I already packed up and my parents are going on a cruise ship, their aunt is going to look over us. Well, his aunt is going to look over us. She's very nice and, yeah. And, yeah. Don't say, don't. Oh, yeah. And also, for Christmas, the same friend. Remember I showed you that, oh, okay. Remember I showed you that, the Springtrap plush? I mean, not plush. The Springtrap, Pop vinyl figure. Now, I have Deadshot. Let me get a flashlight to make it better lighting. Guys, I'm in the danger zone. So many people that don't want to be recorded. So many people that don't want to be recorded. All them jukes. Okay. This is a very powerful flashlight. Wait. Deadshot. And Springtrap. They are both really good. I like them.
I'm going to bring 5. Because they have 5.
Wait a
I'm like sleeping, so I'm tired.
I'm still on video. Okay. I just sneezed. Well, and oh yeah, and also I got this Nerf gun on my 10th birthday. I'm 10 right now. Nerf gun. I don't want to drop it in my tablet. Nerf gun. It's an automatic, and it's the Doom lens. The only problem is it needs more finger space. Seriously, it needs way more finger space. So yeah. And a money jug. Wait. Money jug. Okay. Oh yeah. And also, me and my sister pulled a prank on each other. We got each other's piggy banks and then drew faces on them. I don't know if you can, yeah, see, we just colored on them. So, I think that'll be the end. Yeah, let me go back to the starting place, because that's where I always end and start my videos. And, yeah, cool, yeah, bye.